Okay, so the next challenge is the head office challenge over here. And we see here that we've got one flag we need to get, and we need to access one service. And it says, welcome to the head office. Head over to the head office and tell them to give you the flag. So this challenge, to start the challenge, you need to access this URL right here. Your timer starts the first time you connect to the service. So it says head over to the head office and tell them to give you the flag. So this is talking about HTTP methods. And HTTP methods are basically different ways you can interact with different web pages. So most of the time when you access a web page, you use the get method to get the contents of the page. But there are other methods as well. So there's the HTTP post method, which you can use to send data over to the server. And there's the HTTP head method that you can use to get just the headers for a particular page. So I'm going to demonstrate. So if you just navigate to this web page manually, it says, welcome to the head office. Good morning. What can I get you? It says everybody knows how to get things, but can you guess the other? So this is talking about the get method, and by default, we use the get method when we access this page. But it's talking about head, so we're going to use the head method to access this page again. So there's a certain program inside of most Linux distributions. It's called curl, and curl is used to do terminal access to web pages. So when we use curl and we give it a certain URL here, it's going to give us a text-only view of this particular web page. So this is all of the code for this particular web page, and it's also going to tell us what HTTP headers we send along with our request, and it's going to tell us this is the HTTP request, and this is the HTTP response from the server. And these are the response headers here. This is the body of the website, and by default, we're sending this get method over here. The other method that we can use is the head method and the post method. There are a bunch of different methods. So what we're going to do to solve the challenge is we're going to run the same command, but instead we're going to specify that we want to use the head method with this argument over here, this flag for curl, which is -i. So this is going to send a head request. So when we do that, okay, so it says that we sent the head request, and we actually get, I'm not too sure why the output over here is repeated, but we got the flag twice. So I guess what we can do is we can just copy one of these flags, and they're the same value, it looks like. Copy that, and then we're going to go back to the challenge, and then we're going to submit the flag and then click on the claim flag button. Okay, so it says we got the flag before. That's because I've solved this one before. That's fine, but we've finished the challenge. So we access the flag from the application, and we access the service. So this challenge here, head office, it's done.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.